Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Hi. No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. I'm Jack, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Are you from around here?
Yes, I live nearby. What about you?
I just moved here last week. Still learning my way around.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's nice, quiet and friendly. People seem kind.
That's true. It's a peaceful place.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, sometimes in the evening. I like walking here.
That's cool. I might come more often now.
You should. It's a great spot to relax.
So, Emma, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I work at the local school. You?
I work in IT. I do computer stuff from home.
That's interesting. It must be nice to work from home.
Yes, but sometimes it's a little quiet. I miss talking to people.
Well, now you've met someone.
That's true. Thanks for the chat.
So, Jack, you said you just moved here?
Yes, I moved here yesterday from another city.
Oh, I see. Was it a big move?
Yes, a little. I had to pack many things, but I like it here.
That's good. Do you live alone?
Yes, just me. My family lives far away.
Same here. My parents live in another town.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, one younger sister. She's in college now.
Nice. I have an older brother. He works in a hospital.
Wow, that's great. Is he a doctor?
No, he's a nurse. He likes helping people.
That's so kind. It's nice talking to you, Jack.
Thanks, Emma. You're very friendly.
Would you like to exchange numbers? Maybe we can meet again.
Sure, that would be nice.
Here you go. This is my number.
Got it. I'll send you a message.
Great. Talk to you soon, Jack.
See ya, Emma. Have a good evening.
Hi. The line is a bit long today, huh?
Yeah, it really is. I guess a lot of people want coffee today.
Maybe, because it's Friday. People want a break after work.
True. I feel the same. I need something warm and sweet.
Me too. I always get a drink before going home. It helps me relax.
That sounds nice. Do you come here often?
Not every day, but maybe once or twice a week. The drinks are good here.
This is my first time. My friend told me about this cafe.
Oh, welcome then. What do you usually drink?
I like cappuccino, but today I want to try something new.
You should try the vanilla latte. It's not too strong, and it's a bit sweet.
That sounds perfect. I think I'll try that.
Great choice. And the cookies are also really good.
I love cookies. Maybe I'll get one too.
They have chocolate chip, oatmeal, and peanut butter.
Chocolate chip is my favorite. Easy choice.
Same here.
By the way, I'm Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Do you live nearby?
Yeah, just a short walk from here. What about you?
I live a few blocks away. Not far.
That's cool. Maybe I'll see you here again.
Sure. I usually come in the evenings.
Oh, looks like it's my turn to order.
Okay. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. You too, Emma. Hi. Excuse me, is this the marketing department?
Yes, it is. Are you new here?
Yes. Today is my first day. My name is Jack.
Hi, Jack. Nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. This is a big office.
Yes, it takes time to learn where everything is. Don't worry. You'll get used to it.
I hope so. I'm still trying to find the HR office.
Do you need to meet someone there?
Yes, I need to meet Sarah. She said she will show me my desk.
Oh, Sarah is very nice. Her office is just down the hall. Second door on the left.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
So, what is your job?
I'm a content writer. I'll be writing blog posts and helping with social media.
That's great. I also work on social media. Maybe we'll work together soon.
That sounds good. I'm excited to start.
Where did you work before this?
I worked at a small company downtown, but I wanted something new.
Well, welcome. This team is friendly. I think you'll like it here.
Thanks. That's good to hear. I was a little nervous this morning.
That's normal. I was nervous on my first day, too.
I already feel better after talking to you.
Thanks, Jack. If you need anything, just ask me.
I will. Oh, do we have a lunch break together?
Yes, we all eat lunch at 1 p.m. in the break room.
Perfect. Maybe I can join you today.
Of course. I'll introduce you to the rest of the team.
Thanks again, Emma. I'll go see Sarah now.
Okay. See you later, Jack.
See you soon. Hi there. Excuse me. Is this room 5?
Yes, this is room 5. Are you in grade 7?
Yes, I am. It's my first day here. I'm a new student.
Oh, welcome. What's your name?
My name is Liam. And you?
I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you, Liam.
Nice to meet you too, Sophia.
Where are you from?
I'm from London, but I moved here last week with my family.
Wow, that's cool. Do you like the new city?
Yes, it's nice, but everything is still new for me.
I understand. When I was new, I felt the same.
Thanks. I hope I make new friends soon.
Don't worry. People here are friendly. I can help you.
That would be really nice. Thank you.
Do you like school?
Yes, but I feel a little nervous.
That's normal. The teachers are kind. You will be fine.
I hope so. What subjects do we have today?
I think we have English first, then math, after that, science.
Okay, I like science.
Me too. And after lunch, we have art class.
Nice. I like to draw.
Great. You will enjoy it. Are you bringing lunch from home?
Yes, My mom packed a sandwich and some fruit.
Cool. I brought rice and vegetables. We can eat together if you want.
Really? That sounds great. I'd like that.
Also, we have football practice after school on Tuesdays. Do you like football?
Yes, I love football. Can I join the team?
Of course. I'll show you where to sign up.
Thanks, Sophia. You're really helpful.
No problem, Liam. I'm happy to help.
Let's sit together in class, if that's okay.
Sure. Come sit next to me. The teacher is coming now.
Okay, let's go.